The decision to pay ransom in the event of attack is complex. Often, the decision seems very binary until you find yourself in the middle of an incident, and then all the variables come into play. At the core, it involves weighing immediate operational needs against long-term risks and regulatory consequences. In healthcare or finance, operational downtime can have severe consequences, and paying the ransom might seem like the quickest route to restore operations. But this approach has significant short and long-term financial impacts. The ransom amount can range from thousands to millions of dollars, and there's no guarantee that attackers will provide a functional decryption key to restore files even if that ransom is paid. In the case of a double extortion ransom attack, attackers may agree to return or delete exfiltrated data upon payment. But if they don't, there will be ongoing security, regulatory, and reputational issues as customer information becomes public. Even if the ransom is paid, it doesn't negate regulatory responsibilities around the data that was accessed or exfiltrated, even if it is returned or deleted. While paying a ransom is not typically an illegal act, there are some cases where it could be seen as funding criminal activities or even violating OFAC regulations, depending upon your jurisdiction and the nature of the specific attack. As the average cost of a ransom attack rose to over $5 million in 2023, a 22% increase from 2022, short and long-term monetary consequences might be top of mind. But the considerations on whether to pay ransom in the event of an attack go far beyond dollars. The last thing you want to do is try to consider all the variables in the middle of an event. It really pays to plan ahead.